Hi, so today we're going to be doing actual entries into the books of accounting. So basically speaking, we have the journals and the ledgers, and then the books of final entry. So the journals, we have the purchases journal, the sales journal, and the general journal. So whatever doesn't fit in the sales and in the purchases goes into the general journal, and that's like the rule of thumb. So the purchases journal has a form quite like this, and all the journals basically have a form like this. You have the date, details, folio, debit, and credit, and we follow the double entry system and the golden rule of account. The golden rule of accounting says we debit the receiver and we credit the giver. So in this case, we have the folio account, and we talked about this when we were talking about terms for accounting. The folio folder is used to record the invoice number. So when you buy something or when you sell something, you write a letter or you receive a letter that tells you exactly what was in it, how much it's costing, and the letterhead will have information about who's selling it or who's receiving it. Right, so the dates, you just write the date as it comes, and say you're buying something from Temain Private Limited. You're going to write in the detail side Temain Private Limited, but this is the purchases account. So the purchases is receiving because purchases are goods bought for resale. So purchases account is being debited, but in the details you write the information about who you're purchasing from. So in this transaction, you can tell both parties involved. The folio is going to be the identifying number, whatever it is, in the invoice that is associated with this purchase. And then because we are being debited, we put it in the debit. So this account is being debited. Remember the golden rule of accounts: you debit the receiver and you credit the giver, and that's how we're going to figure out what is going where. And remember that in the details you put the other person involved in the transaction. So when you look at this book, you can tell the company bought goods from Temain for this amount, and the receipt number is this on this date. So the sales journal will be the same, the general journal will be the same. But in the general journal, instead of having a purchases journal and having variations in the details part, the general journal has various accounts in them. So you'll have Temain Private Limited, and if we do business with Monectrust Private Limited, we'll have Monectrust Private Limited in the general journal. We'll have everything else that doesn't come in here, and there are various accounts that will be associated with the general journal. So if you have any questions about this, you can ask on the comments, and I'll try to look into it. Following this system, we have ledgers, and ledgers are more complex. We have general ledger, just as we have the general journal. This is where anything